10 Range Rover HSC. The driver's seat was not working at all. It was out, the radio was out, the radio was completely off. So I found out there was a fuse that's located here on a passenger side, right here in this area, and that is a fuse number. Let me see. You can remove this by accessing to the fuse box over here. There's two tabs right here. You have to press it from both sides at the same time simultaneously and pull this one. So once you take it off, there's a cheat sheet here that you can refer to. Mine was this one right here, F40 5 amp. It's the door, the window, and the seats. All of them was in one fuse, so that was out. And the location of that fuse is right here. That is the fuse number. Let me see if I can. Where was it? Which one was that? It was right here, the different color, the orange color that you see. You see that orange color? That is a different color that I just put because that's the one I had. But that's 5 amp fuse. So that is the door fuse. I hope it helps everybody. If you find this video helpful, just go ahead and like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. I'm gonna put it back together.